Hey, what is up, guys? It's me, B99 here, and today we're going to be talking about some more fun stuff. Now, Dr. As I get this open, we're going to go over a little thing real quick. I have to tell you, I'm not entirely sure if my last video on the 10th Doctor was actually went fully through. So I don't know if I want to make sure if I want to make sure that I uploaded it to this account, not my other one. Here it is, Doctor Who 11th screwdriver. If you look closely, compared to my finger. Yes, I know my fingernail's long. I've been on vacation a while. So let's just get this out of here. Now I didn't just open this. I opened it last night, but pretty nice. You got your light up. You got your flip. It's got two sounds. And you got this button right here that goes right there. That goes. From there, you can't do this one right here. Turn it on, but you have to do this one right here. But when I do that, I prefer to do this. Bottom works on everyone. But and to get it back, you just push on there. Goes back in. Now, if you do this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and there we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like a broken screwdriver. Well, this thing's actually pretty nice. I mean, if you actually, here, let me get my 10th Doctor. Find the dang thing. Where's my 10th? Oh, there it is. Here's my 10th Doctor screwdriver. Not as loud. And not as big. So, if you compare them, black guy, white guy. I'm kidding. Then you go here. It's just about the same, but when you do that, then they're not equal at all. So no matter what you do, this one's still gonna be bigger. Now, problems with this one, comes off easy. The bottom comes off easy. The pin on the bottom comes off easy. And on this one, problems are, do this enough times without keep tightening it every once in a while, it goes phew. You just turn it just a little bit off. See how that's off? Watch. Stupid thing. Watch. See that? You barely even have to press a button for that. And to get it back in, there's little lines that you line it up with, and it's fairly simple to get in. So, just slide it down, turn it. There you go. See you later, guys.